Take a look, people. You see it? Yeah, man. Jungle food. And like the rain now play today. And you see what I go on? We not play neither, no more people. Wow. You see that, people? But good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. People, today is a beautiful day. You know why? Today is the day after the storm, after Hurricane Ian. You know we don't get it in the people, but we get look after effect in Jamaica. But we're there here because you know why we have to give thanks? We're there here, people, and we still can't make moves. You see me, people, because the sun out today. I look for see the river brown people, amount of rainfall. You get what I say, but there here I give thanks, people. Yeah, man. Go to the channel, people. I want you to subscribe, people. You see it? Like the video them, share the video them, and leave a comment, people. Yeah, man, people. And do remember, people, watch the odds them. You understand? So, people, the storm is over now. Yeah, man. We can see the sunshine. So people, big up on yourself. Stay tuned. I whip up something today, you know, people, on the riverside, you know. It's called the after storm dilemma. You see it, people? Yeah, man, after a storm, we come out here, do something for our fans them. So you see, people, here we go on. Have some people who want big up. You see it, people? Big up Uncle Alva in England. Uncle Steve as well. T-Cash. Big up yourself. Balcony Crew, Warren. You see what I say? Penny Irie. Yeah, man. The whole Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV family, big up on yourself. So people, we are go straight into the video, you know, people. Yeah, man. All of my new subscribers, them, my new viewers, them, big up on yourself. The people them from day one, big up as well. Yeah, man. In the video, we are going to know, people. So people, you take a look around, you know. You see what I go on? Yeah, man. So today, we are going to whip up an after storm dilemma. So you know what we have to the people? I'm sure you know what we have in the bag to the people. You see it? People, you see what go on in a John shop? Not John shop, in a black shop. We have a corned beef and a breadfruit, people. So here what go on now, no? People may have them before it's storm, you know. Look at. You see your corned beef there? Yeah, man, you go through the storm, you know, people. You see me? I was to do a video before the storm, but the storm come catch me, so you see me? I show you a clip in go on. As I start the video, the rain come down. So people, stay tuned, man. As I say, subscribe, like, share, and comment, my people. You see it? Yeah, man, we out here. And what we always say, oh no, if you watch video, make young girl love you. Here, people, stay tuned, man. So peeps, this is one of my old fireside them, you know. You see me? But as you see, everything soak, my people, look there. Water soak, everything. So, first thing we are going to do now, my peeps. First thing we are going to do, we have to go look some stick. You see me? To catch a fire. We know say them wet, but we are going to batter through it, people, and try catch a fire. So, that's the first thing we are going to do. So, people, stay tuned, man. We look some stick. Yeah, man, my paper saws on the see. We gather our stick them, you know. You see, I don't know if them enough, but, you know, I cut them up to make a fire. You get me as a people. Yeah, man. Man, my peeps, you see today now, we bring some kerosene, because you know, say, yo, the place kind of wet. So, we have to try get the fire start. You get to me and say, if you don't look out there, you see say the rain make up back for come down, you know, my people. Actually, it a drizzle a bit. You see what I say, people, so, we try to do what we have to do fast, you understand, so. Look what I go on, man. So peeps, you get look hopes, you know. Yeah, man. You get look hopes. The fire catch up look like. But the kerosene kinda lazy. So we are try get it up, you know. Yeah, man. My peeps that look better. Man, people, the fire move lazy. Very, very lazy. So we are work on it, people. You see it? So I could try work on the fire and get back to the normal. You understand, my people? So, no stay tuned, man. So people, after many attempts, you know, see it there? Fire running, you know. Breadfruit there, some people, you see me? So we are sitting on it, you know, people. You see it? Yeah, man, we are sitting the breadfruit on the fire, you know, peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the peeps, so we are trying our best get that video in, people, cause see it there? I don't know if you can see, but if you even look on the water and you see, say, yeah, rain a fall, you know. So, I don't know how I go beat that weather, but the video don't start. Some people, I try my best finish the video, but the rain start fall again, people. Jah no star, the rain start, but nothing beat a trial more than a failure, my peeps. You see it? All full blast, you know, people. Boy, breadfruit up on fire. At least if the breadfruit done roast, we can just eat the bully beef same way with the breadfruit. But people, out here in high storm, you know. Something off happen, people, so no, just stay tuned. Yeah, man. Can't make the device get too wet, but you know what I go on, people. See it, I'm fire out up. Yeah, man, the people. But just stay tuned, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, my peeps, so it look like the rain now play today. And you see what I go on? We not play neither, you know, my people. Yeah, man. You see what I go on? We not play today now, people. You see it? Yeah, man. Look how fire under there, we hope say it go and blaze. You see it, peeps, cause you don't know the rain out up most of it, but you see what I go on? Yeah, man. See what I go on, my peeps? Rain a blaze down, you know. You know how to see it, you know. Yeah, man. See rain? Yeah, man, but we are doing it same way, you know, my peeps. See it there? Yeah, man, my people, so when you see meanwhile, breadfruit over there, so we rush under the shelter. One cut up with season them people. Them here will bring me to get pepper again, but that no matter, people, so we are going to cut up with season, wash with season them and cut them up. You see it? Yes, man, my people. That's how we do with people. You see it? Watch video make young girl love you know. You hear that? Yes, people. Don't cut up, you know, my peeps, and so I go on. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is for we can't beef, you know, people. So we are turning with breadfruit now. Then we find a spot for the fire to put on the corned beef. Cause right now, we don't want really the rain stop the thing, my people. So we have to do what we have to do fast. You understand? So see it, my peeps? Yes, man. I tell you now, Jah no start. God a do him work, so man have to do him work. Not even the rain can stop it today, no people. You see me? Yeah, man, we just go and do the right thing, my peeps. Heart of love, respect and blessings, my people. Yeah, man, just hit the post notification bell if you don't like the video, people. Leave a comment. You understand, my people? Yeah, man, stay tuned, man. Watch video make young girl love, you know. Yeah, man, people, so see the pot here, people, the survival pot, this, you know. Yeah, man, see the breadfruit in a fire, same way. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we are finding a spot side of the breadfruit. Yeah, man, and put on the pot. You don't know you're going up, people. The fire wants some strength, though. You see it, peeps? Yeah, man, so try put some heat in the kitchen, you know? Yeah, man, that is it, my people. That is it, my peeps. See it? Yeah, man. That is it. So, people, time now, you know, because breadfruit done roast as me tell you know, you get me? Fruit done roast as me tell you know. Yeah, man, breadfruit done roast, just a bully beef look out here now, you know, peeps. You see it? Yeah, man. People. The bag damage, you know, people. See that? Yeah, man. So you know, so the kitchen exposed, you know. I can't help it again. Kitchen exposed, you know. Yeah, man. So we have start cook up a bully beef, peel with breadfruit, eat, cool off, look at people. After we cool off, you know. Man, tell you now after we cool off. Guess what happen after we cool off? Nice, you could swim. We are going to take in the river downstream down there, some people. So I don't want to see that too, you know, people. So I don't know, you go, man. Yes, my people. We're out here. Yeah. Yeah, man, people. So okay. Try this out the pot look a bit, cause you know, during we are fan the fire. Some dust going there, some ashes, not dust. Yeah, man, the people, so we add the oil to the pot here now, people. Not much, you know. Don't know it go. Yeah, man. See me I tell you, kitchen get knocking up, people, but no nothing that. Yeah, man, my people, so to the season, my people. To the season. Yeah, man. Not even the rain never stop it to the people. Watch it. Kitchen in a jungle. So my people, time now, you know. I didn't even see with them, you know. Wow. You see that, people? But well hot. Yeah, man. It's a fire, my people. Yeah, man. Wow. It's hot, my people. Yeah, my peeps, so that's what I go on now. Yeah, man, I have to rock out the breadfruit because my sister the breadfruit are burning, you know. Yeah, man, we don't want the breadfruit burn too much, you know. So, yeah, man, next season go and fry up, look up. Yes, man, my peeps. We out here versus the storm, you know, me and my fans, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man. You see what I go on, don't? Me and uno out here, rain and shine. Yes, my peeps. Yes, my people, you eat hot, you know. Want to see what go on? Yeah. Yeah, man, people. Rain or shine, man. Me and my fans them out there, man. Yeah, man, people. The rain is on look a bit, but you don't know. We pass the worst, people. Yes, people, we pass the worst. And see what go on? Rain cool down. Yeah, man, look the sun push out again, so you don't know it go. Yes, man. Yes, man. Beef, you know, people, walking. I forgot to take off the pot, you know, people, because I like the key drop off in the storm. We take off the pot, you know, people, we don't want our kingdom burn, you know? Yeah, man. So, like the key drop off in the storm, so we have to go pull it some other way, people, you see me? Yeah, man. Pressure roast completely, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, man, so we are take him off and put him one side, you know? Yeah, man. See what I go on, you know, we have to go cut this. The key lost off of it, so we have to go cut it, my people, you see me? Yeah, man. We have to go cut it. So, we have to cut it. Yeah, man. It's a knife, it's not really a sharp knife neither, you know, so when I get it to a good way, I can scrape it out, you know, you see it, people, so when I do put back the pot on fire, we back on fire, we have to scrape out the beef in the pot now. Yeah, man. People are not a pretty boy thing, you know, you see a rain deal with you know. Some all purpose in there just a bit, you know. Flavor him up, you know. Yeah, man. That's enough, you know, my people. See? That's enough. Yeah, my people are close up and what go on in the pot. You see it? Yeah, man. No nothing bossy, my people, because you don't know, as I say, you know the rain cheat to you out here today, you know, so I know nothing bossy. Yeah, man. Give him a sample, you know, my peeps? So my peeps, time now to take off a beef, you know. See it there? Well cooked. Yeah, man. We take him off now, you know, people, and peel with the share now, you know. Well, yeah, man, my people. Yeah. Nah, litter, you know, people, car. You know? Let the skin burn out at the same time. See that? Yeah! Brush your oil roast, my people. Never want nothing to use with it. Tell me, I'll tell them. Yes, my people, so sharing time now, you know, people. Yeah. Yeah. This not turn out bad after all, you know, people. You see that? Look on it. Oh my God, man. Jesus. People, you know what I do? Eat some food, me young girl do. Love me. People, you know, just go and like up the video, make young girl love you know. Share up the video, subscribe. And young girl we what? Love you know. So people, we are eating now. So you stay tuned. You hear that? Who wants some? Yeah, man, people. Well ready. Now the storm up here, people. Take a look, people. You see it? Yeah, man, jungle food, you know. Now the storm this preparing on my people, you hear it? Yeah, man. People, you see the lovely river behind me, you know what that means. Time now for take a swim, people. I want to tell you, the water fresh and flowing. Yo, wanna take a look, people. Yeah, man, the water fresh and flowing, people. So, we take a look at swimming now, people. Then we try beat back the rain, because you see what I go on. Look at blue sky there, way over there, so people, but look there. Yeah, man, we have to try beat back the rain. Yeah, man, my people, so. See it there? Yeah, man. Water lovely, people. So, my time now to take a look at swim, people, and then head out in the people, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, my people, so from you reach this far in the video, that mean you is a loyal fan, you is a family, people, so no afraid to give the video a thumbs up, people. Yeah, man, leave a like, people, comment, yeah, man, and share the video, my people. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, my people. Yeah, man, and big up every other YouTuber, people. Yeah, man, I'm not single out nobody, big up every other YouTuber. But come out here, people, rain and shine, make it happen for the people, them, because more time we out here do it, people, and it's not easy. So, people, just show with some respect. So, people, you know what's going on. Me now come a river and now swim.